Yes, it's DeEbumarsInnovation again. So today we are here at MAB Global Estate, Abuja, and we are here to take this house to solar energy for up to 90% relying on solar because the electricity system is very high. Now let me tell you, this person have transformer close to him, so it will be easier for him to have steady power supply because the transformer is close to him, and he can complain to power supply unit if there is no light of the grid, national grid, for them to restore to him. But no, he chose a wise choice with the DeEbumarsInnovation. Let me show you what we are doing. So here is the portion of solar panels that is going to be serving for the sumo, for the pump, for the sumo pump, because I'm going to be changing the existing sumo pump to a solar pump system. So we have 4 units of 210 watt panel. So this will be connected to this. So the water will be pumping automatically using solar panels. Nothing on the grid. Now, this is my third time of handling of project, a first line solar setup. So we have our solar panel installed. We have 8 units of solar panel installed here, and we're using a bifacial solar panel for this system. So we install it on the fence, so it's not going to spoil the fence aesthetic. And because of space, we are doing this. We already have 40 units of solar panels. Come, let's see what we're doing here. And here we have a perfect installation of our 300-liter solar water heater tank. We'll be having a solar water heater tank installed there. So if you look above there, that is some section of the solar panels. We have it all around the roof, inclusive to this, with the 48 units. So once the BQ has been built here, we'll still be having some panel on it. The total panel we'll be using in this house will be 78 units of solar panels. And we have this to be powering from morning till night 8 pieces of AC with all the electrical apartments. So we have this now, the solar water heater, the 200-liter solar water heater powering this house and the BQ. So it automatically gets heat when there's sun and not, and it's a hybrid system. So with this, almost all the AC is on solar. So the only little things that will not be on solar will be nothing. Yes, nothing. So if you want more of this, contact DeEbumarsInnovation and you'll get the best out of the rest. I wish you the best. Wait to the end of this project. See you on the other side. Thank you. Bye.